Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can. Welcome to this IGCSE Mathematics revision lesson. In this video, we'll learn how fractions, decimals, and percentages are connected and how to convert between them quickly and accurately. We'll also learn how to calculate percentage change, a skill that appears frequently in IGCSE exam questions. Let's begin. Fractions, decimals, and percentages are simply different ways of expressing the same value. For example, 1/4 can be written as 1/4, 0.25, or 25%. All three mean exactly the same thing. Being able to switch between these forms is an essential exam skill. Let's learn some important conversions that you should know without using a calculator. 50% equals 0.5, which is the same as 1/2. 25% equals 0.25, which is the same as 1/4. 75% equals 0.75, which is the same as 3/4. These values appear regularly in exam questions, so it's worth memorizing them. To convert a percentage into a decimal, divide by 100. An easy shortcut is to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. For example, 75% becomes 0.75. 42% becomes 0.42. 8% becomes 0.08. To convert a fraction into a percentage, divide the numerator by the denominator and multiply by 100. For example, 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. Multiply by 100 and you get 50%. 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. Multiply by 100 and you get 75%. Percentage change tells us how much a value has increased or decreased compared to its original value. The formula is change divided by original value, multiplied by 100. Let's look at an example. A price increases from $80 to $100. The change is $20. Using the formula, 20 divided by 80 multiplied by 100 equals 25%. So the price increased by 25%. One of the most common exam mistakes is dividing by the new value instead of the original value. Always remember, percentage change is based on the original value. If you use the wrong value, you'll get the wrong answer. Let's recap. 50% equals 1/2 or 0.5. 25% equals 1/4 or 0.25. 75% equals 3/4 or 0.75. And percentage change is calculated by dividing the change by the original value and multiplying by 100. Fractions, decimals, and percentages are closely connected and appear throughout the IGCSE Mathematics course. Mastering these conversions will help you in topics ranging from algebra to finance and statistics. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your revision. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.